Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Go, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to go into the settings, and from settings scroll down to storage, which is right here, and then tap on your SD card. So for me it's the SanDisk right here, and it takes you to storage. So from here you have the three dots, tap on it and go into the storage settings, and now you should see format, which we're looking for. So tap on the format, gives you a message that performing this will remove all the data from your card. So if there is something that you would like to keep on that card, you might want to back it up before you start, and assuming you don't, we can just proceed further on. So erase and format, the process will begin, and it just takes about a couple of seconds and it should be just about done. There it is, and tap done, and the card is ready to be used again. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.